Not every room offers large, open wall areas for window installation. In many homes, furniture placement, doorways, cabinetry, or architectural features limit available space. For homeowners in Mandeville, slider windows provide a smart solution for rooms where wall space is at a premium. Their efficient design makes it easier to bring in light and fresh air without disrupting the layout of the home. Understanding the challenge of limited wall space, rooms with limited wall space often require thoughtful planning when it comes to windows. Traditional window styles may not fit well without blocking walkways or interfering with furnishings. In Mandeville homes, this challenge commonly appears in kitchens, bathrooms, hallways, and smaller bedrooms. Slider windows are well suited to these spaces because they maximize functionality within compact areas. How slider windows make the most of available space. Slider windows open horizontally along a track, rather than swinging inward or outward. This simple design allows them to fit comfortably into narrow or wide openings without needing extra clearance. For Mandeville homeowners, this means windows can be installed in tight spots without affecting furniture placement or exterior walkways. The window operates smoothly within its frame, preserving usable space on both sides. Ideal for rooms with fixed interior layouts. Some rooms have layouts that can't easily be changed. Built-in cabinets, countertops, or fixtures may limit where windows can be placed. Slider windows adapt well to these situations. In Mandeville homes, they are often used above kitchen counters, along narrow walls, or in rooms where other window styles would feel intrusive. Improving natural light without crowding the room. Even small wall sections can benefit from natural light. Slider windows allow homeowners to bring in daylight without overwhelming the space. Mandeville homeowners appreciate that slider windows provide generous glass areas while maintaining a low-profile design. Rooms feel brighter and more open without sacrificing wall space. Supporting ventilation in compact areas. Ventilation is important, even in smaller rooms. Slider windows allow controlled airflow without requiring additional space to operate. In Mandeville homes, slider windows help circulate fresh air in areas where ventilation options are limited. Homeowners can adjust the opening size to control airflow without creating drafts. Maintaining clear walkways and exterior areas. Windows that swing outward can interfere with patios, walkways, or landscaping. Slider windows avoid this issue entirely. For Mandeville homeowners with limited exterior space, slider windows allow ventilation and light without obstructing outdoor areas. This makes them especially practical for homes with tight lot lines or shared spaces. Simplifying furniture placement. Interior window clearance matters when arranging furniture. Slider windows eliminate the need to leave space for window operation. Mandeville homeowners enjoy greater flexibility when placing seating, desks, or storage near windows. This freedom helps make the most of every square foot. Easy operation encourages daily use. Windows that are hard to open often go unused. Slider windows are designed for smooth, simple operation. In Mandeville homes, this ease of use encourages regular ventilation and makes everyday living more comfortable without added effort. Blending functionality with clean design. Slider windows offer a clean, streamlined look that fits a wide range of home styles. Their simple design complements both modern and traditional interiors. Mandeville homeowners benefit from windows that perform efficiently while maintaining a neat, unobtrusive appearance. A smart solution for space-conscious homes. Limited wall space doesn't have to limit comfort or light. Slider windows offer a practical, flexible solution that adapts to challenging layouts. For homeowners in Mandeville, slider windows make it easier to enjoy natural light, fresh air, and functional design, even in rooms where space is limited. Their efficient operation and adaptable sizing make them a smart choice for maximizing comfort without compromising layout.